Coming to you today from our hallowed halls is this 63 Buick LeSabre hardtop. The car comes to us as a frame-off restored car. Every nut and bolt was touched, and this car was done in 1995. Is still holding up very well today. It's an AACA Senior National winner and Grand National winner. It does have a few flaws in the paint, but nothing that you can't overlook. The color combo is absolutely striking with teal mist over white. It's got the 401 cubic inch numbers matching nailhead V8, making 280 horsepower. It's hooked up to a Dynaflow 2-speed automatic, and as a little bit of sidebar, 63 was the first year the 4-speed manual was offered in the LeSabre. Again, this car doesn't have it, but the Dynaflow makes it so much nicer just to drive and cruise with. 1963 was a major redesign and facelift for the LeSabre. The 4-door hardtops even got a new roof line, totally different from the prior year's model. This car looks great, it drives great, so why don't we take it out, Randy? Let's have some fun, cruise around, see if we can pick up some hipsters and go for fondue. The car is just an absolute beautifully smooth cruiser. This thing drives absolutely smooth as silk. Plenty of room in the back for the family, the kids, your travel stuff, and if there's not enough room back there, you got about 6 miles of trunk behind us that you can put anything you want in. It's also the perfect car that, with a bench seat, you can have your significant other slide over next to you. Don't get any ideas, Randy. I do not want that. But I mean, we are in a fully functional car here that's just, wow. And the fact that Consignor did most of the restoration himself speaks volumes to his talent and his abilities, because there isn't much wrong with this. Plenty of power. It stops nice. There are absolutely zero complaints here. This car is also equipped with a speed minder, and Randy doesn't know what that is, so we're going to show it off. It's a dial you set on your speedometer. We'll set it down to 30 and we'll go. And it's just an alert system to let you know that you're exceeding whatever your predetermined speed is, and it's really annoying.
You know, I had a 78 Monte Carlo that may have had that when I was 16 years old.
We'll turn that up because I don't want to hear that no more. Well, thanks for joining us today to show off one of the 1,000 cars we have in inventory, this beautiful 63 Buick LeSabre. It's online, it needs a new home. Are you going to be the new owner? Call and find out, talk to one of our specialists. Don't forget to like and subscribe our videos. You can check out our podcast on YouTube as well as many other platforms. To see this car and all of our 80+ photos, check us out on classicautomall.com. Until next time, see ya.